The word of the day at MEF16 is openness and disaggregated. Every vendor has an open and a disaggregated story. Every service provider has an open and a disaggregated story. And there are multiple proof of concepts showing that. But when you ask about openness, different vendors and different service providers have different thoughts on what openness is. You can have different degrees of openness associated with software and associated with your hardware. On the x-axis, you could have software. On the y-axis, hardware. So some examples are, on the x-axis where you have the software, you have open APIs, you have open software, open platform, open apps. Similarly, on the hardware side, you can have disaggregation as a form of openness. Again, you can have open APIs. You can then start disaggregating your platform, which is a certain amount of openness. Then you can mix and match in different ways. You could have a different vendor that's providing your transponders, different vendor doing your WDM, and a different vendor doing your switching. That's a degree of openness. You can take that a step further where you can start mixing and matching. You can mix and match different vendors of transponders and different vendors of WDM equipment. That's another degree of openness. So, openness is very important, and yet there is definitely different degrees of openness. And which one's right for you? You can combine these in multiple ways to create different solution, what's appropriate.